Then small onion and big onion. Small onion 10, big onion, big onion half, or if it is medium size 1, and also the tomatoes together. Time you have to add 1 full spoon of ginger garlic. Fry it for 1 minute till the raw smell goes. Then we have to add prawn, half a kg of prawn, washed and also marinated with salt and turmeric. It's an easy recipe, tangy recipe for bachelors and beginners. Minute, add the masala. I have taken half a spoon of chili powder and quarter spoon of pepper powder and half a spoon of garam masala, quarter spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of coriander powder. If you want, you can add the cumin powder. I don't have, so I am not adding. I have added cumin seed while seasoning. At medium flame, fry it well, and no need to add the water now. It will release the water. After say 10 minutes, we can add coriander leaf, and if you want, you can add the fenugreek leaves also. That will have extra taste. And then see for the salt, etc. Add a spoon of ghee and allow it to fry well and serve. That's all. Adding 1 tablespoon of curd. Well, I have added the salt after tasting it. Now let me float for some time. Meanwhile, I will be cleaning the fenugreek leaves. And the chapati fenugreek leaves, a handful, enough. You can add more, but I think that for this recipe, this is enough. And now we have to mix it well. Now you can add water. I have added, say, half a tumbler of water, 100 grams of water I can say. So let it cook. It should, see, when the prawns become round like that, that means it is cooked. I think that after 5 minutes this will be cooked. Adding coconut, 1 tablespoon or more. You can, if you want, you can add more. Sprinkle coriander leaf. For this recipe, more coriander leaf is required. You have to add more coriander leaves. Now let it cook for say 1 minute and let the coconut mix up well with this. Then we can serve. Now here you can see that when the prawn becomes like this round, that means it is cooked. Everything is nice, well cooked. So after 1 minute, we will leave for 20 seconds for our simmer and then serve it. Adding a spoon of ghee. Remember, always for prawns as well as for liver, etc., you should add a spoon or half a spoon of ghee. Then only it will subside the heat and also very tasty it will be. Some people add coconut oil. I never add coconut oil. Now that's all. It's over. I am keeping it simmering. Now the methi prawn recipe is ready. You can enjoy with paratha etc. Now today with paratha, you can even take rice and other items. Thank you. Enjoy this. Subscribe to my channel. Now the methi jhinga recipe is ready, which is very yummy and tasty, and this can be very delicious along with the paratha. And I have made the lachedar paratha. This will be very tasty along with this. I hope you will all make like this way and enjoy this kind of recipe. This recipe is having the fenugreek leaves, which gives you extra strength, vitamins, and all minerals and nutrients, and very healthy to the body, along with the prawns, which gives you strength. And some people say that it reduces the weight. I don't know how far it is true. Anyway, this is good and it is available in this season. You can enjoy. Hope you will like it. You are safe at home and enjoy Nani's recipes. And please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and do comment. Thank you so much.